He was not just a king, he was a legacy in motion. His presence alone commanded silence. The throne did not define him, it reflected him. And the crown was not decoration, it was responsibility. But even the brightest skies gather storms. And this storm did not come to test him, it came to break him. The walls trembled, loyalties faded, fear spread. In one night, everything he built collapsed. The throne stood empty. And the crown touched the dust. For the first time, he felt powerless. He stared at the silence, and the silence stared back. Doubt entered his heart. Was I ever strong?
Or was it just the gold on my head?
If the throne is gone, who am I without it? But pain has a purpose. It strips away illusion and reveals truth. The crown never made him king. The throne never made him powerful. His mindset did. So he stood up. Not as a broken ruler, but as a reborn warrior. Step by step, he rebuilt himself. He faced the world again. And this time, he feared nothing. They took his crown, they destroyed his kingdom, but they could never break him.